Good morning, everybody. This is Dylan over at Espresso Outlet, and today we are going to be looking at the H40 hand grinder by Turin, and we're going to see how exactly, if you need to dismantle this to clean it or just to replace that C-clip, how you're going to do so. So first, you're going to want to make sure that you go counterclockwise all the way until you get to the furthest point possible. And the reason is because when you push on this bottom part now like this, you're gonna see that it brings that C-clip up extremely easy so you can get a really good grasp and pull that C-clip out. Now, if that grinder is all the way maxed out at being really fine, here's gonna be the issue you run into. Number one, when you push this, there is no give and you can't really get to that C-clip at all. So by turning that counterclockwise like so, you're going to notice that now it does push up, so that way you are able to get a good grip of the clip. There we go. So now you have that C-clip out. So just set it down there. And now you can pretty much pull the grinder apart. So at the bottom burr will come out. So you can go ahead and clean all of that. I'm going to show you how to put it back on. So you just slide this down the bottom part here. Let me just go ahead and zoom out so you can see. You're just going to slide this down. Push this in. And then you just put the bearing right back on top like so. Sink that down at the bottom like that. And then there's this metal piece. You want to make sure that the groove part, the engraving part right there, is up, not this part. This is going to come in like so. Just match it up with the actual nut. There's going to be space on there that, there you go. So now it is back in place. So now what you can do is you take your C-clip, there. So now that clip is back in, and now you are all good to go ahead and put everything back together and start grinding. So if I were to push this all the way back out, once again, it is tight again. So there is the C-clip installation. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Leave them in the comment section down below. And as always, this is the H40 with Turin, and I'll see you guys in the next one.